What's up guys, and welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, hello, I'm Keaton. That was so energetic, oh my god. So today's video is going to be a favorites video. These are just some things that I've been loving. Old school YouTube here, I still do these still do exist. I talk about my favorite beauty products, food, whatever it is that I'm loving at the time, I talk about it to you guys, and I love when you guys leave in the comments down below some of your favorite beauty products or just like snacks or like, and that was my ice chest and it just gave me like a lot of anxiety. But anyway, yeah, I just like when you guys leave me comments down below of like snacks, beauty, anything like that. If you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much to me if you guys stuck around. I do week in my lives, college week in my lives, outfits, fashion, beauty, all that kind of stuff. And I feel like I'm just like a fun person, so please just stay with me. I also post every single Wednesday and Friday on this channel, but I post every other day on my other social media, so you guys can go follow me on my Instagram and Twitter to stay updated on what I'm doing. And I'm literally just doing this right now and I'm done. So I stopped forcing myself on you in all of my social medias. Let's get into the video. The first thing I want to talk about is so random, and I'm going to talk about these first because I want to eat them first. As you guys can tell, this bag is like basically empty, but I've been obsessed with these gummy bears. These are the Albanese World's Best Gummy Bears, and they literally are the world's best gummy bears. I want to see how many I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. So if you guys are a Haribo gummy bear fan and you guys love gummy bears, go try these. These are life-changing. I'm not kidding. The best gummy bears. They are so good. I don't know how else to tell you. There's also so many more flavors. I think there's 12. So go try these. I bought these at World Market, which is so random, but I want to go back to World Market specifically because I want to try a bunch of, oh my god, I just flung the gummy bear. I want to go try a bunch of the weird foods that they have. They just have a bunch of foods from like all over the world in there, and so I want to try. It's like a furniture store, but they have food in there. Anyway, those are the gummy bears. I don't have any more food, but I do have a drink. So this month I've been in love with coconut water. I used to hate coconut water. I used to think it was so bitter and so nasty and so disgusting, and I found, I think, the cure to my coconut water hate is canned coconut water. So I bought these the other day. These are the Goya, or you guys know them white. I don't know how to say this, but this is the coconut water with pulp. It is naturally hydrating coconut water. The only thing is I meant to just buy pure coconut water, like just plain coconut water in a can, but this one actually has sugar in it. It's has, let's see, I don't know how much is in here, but it has a little bit in here to kind of sweeten it, which makes it taste amazing, but that's not necessarily what I was going for. I was going for like a just like natural plain coconut water, but I love coconut water now. I'm a huge, what is that? Like, what is that? But I really think for some reason it's better in the can. Like, that's just how I feel about certain drinks. I feel that way with Coke as well. It's way better in the can than it is in the bottle, if that makes sense. So I'm really into this. But yeah, this is the coconut water I've been drinking. Another thing I've been loving is my Hydro Flask. I'm obsessed with this. My boyfriend bought it for me from Hawaii, so that's why it's like one of these like special edition things, because I think they sold them in Hawaii, or they had them in Hawaii or something. I always get compliments on this and I love it. And one thing at my old apartment, if you guys don't know, I moved apartments and this is my new place, but in my old apartment I didn't have a water filter. So like I didn't have anything in my fridge where I could just like put my cup up to it and fill it up with water. My roommate did have a Brita, but I, for some reason, like there's something in my brain that I don't think that Britas work. I know that they most likely do, because like why would they be a thing if they didn't work? But for some reason I just don't think that they fully work, and I don't trust Arizona water. If you live in Arizona, you know something is wrong with the water coming out of like the faucet and stuff, so I don't trust it. So being able to have a water filter is so good. So I have one here now in this apartment, and my goal has been to drink 4 of these a day. I'm getting there. I've only drank 2 today. I'm halfway through my 3rd, so, and it's only like 3 o'clock right now, so I know I'll have like 4 or 5 by the end of the day. But water is just so good for you. And if you guys don't have a Hydro Flask and you're like, oh my god, no, I don't want to carry that everywhere, it is so freaking important, guys. Like, having a Hydro Flask is so helpful. I did not drink enough water before I had this, and now everywhere I go I always fill it up, whether I'm at the gym, whether I'm at the office, whether like I'm at the grocery store. I literally like go to Target and I like walk in line at Starbucks. I'm like, hi, can you fill this up? And I like drink a whole one while I'm in Starbucks. That's just how I am now, or while I'm in Target, but that's just how I am, just because having it now, I feel like water is so important for your skin and your life, and your body is literally 75% water. Like, get your goods, girl. Your body probably isn't even 75% water. I don't even know if that's right. I just like threw that out there like it was a fact. I don't even know. All right, next up is another little random thing I've been loving this month, and it is vinyls. So I've had a few records randomly because companies have sent me records before, which is so random. Like, I didn't ask for them, they just sent them to me, but I didn't have a record player. So for years I've had records with no record player. So just recently when I moved here, I wanted a record player for my room, so I bought one, and I wanted... Oh my gosh, why are there, like, why is everything in this apartment like turning on and like playing, and I'm just like, why is the TV on? Like, who turned that on? Like, oh my gosh, I can't. Back to what I was saying is I have a record player now, and so I really wanted records that I love to start it off, and so I bought these two from Urban Outfitters. This one is Billie Eilish's album, but when I bought it, I like literally got home and put it in right away because I was like, oh my gosh, I want to play this right now, and it was already scratched, and so I'm really sad because I have to take it back to Urban and get another one, and I didn't see another one there, so I'm kind of sad. I might have to order this one online because this one was already scratched. But my favorite record right now is this Amy Winehouse record. As you can see, it's not even in this because it's on my record player right now, but I really love Amy Winehouse, and so these two records were just like staples, had to have them. I got them from Urban Outfitters though, and I've just been in love with my record player. Every single morning I wake up and I turn it on and I make my coffee and I make my breakfast while I listen to it, and I just think it's so cute. The next two items are like fashion-y items. So this has been so freaking asked about. I'm not kidding. Every single thing I've posted in the last week in my life I posted, everyone was like, where's your purse from? This is the purse. If you guys haven't seen my Princess Polly haul, you guys need to watch it. I will link it down below, or you guys can just go on my channel and find it. But this purse is from Princess Polly, and I am in love with it. I stated kind of why in the haul that I love it. It's just the perfect size for my camera, perfect size for anything. I just went to the pool and I brought it with me, and I literally have like my sunscreen and like sunglasses in here and like all this kind of stuff. So I just really like it. I feel like it's a great size. It's not too big, it's not too small, it fits a perfect amount of stuff, and yeah, it just goes with everything. It's got some gold detailing. I don't even know if this is like crocodile or snake, I don't know what this is, but I really love it, and I've been getting so many questions, and so I wanted to mention it in here. Another thing I got from Princess Polly are these sunglasses, which have also been super asked about. I love them. They are really big, but they're perfect. They've been my most amazing layout sunglasses. I've been tanning like every day now, and so I've been really needing bigger sunglasses. You guys know I love these. These are from Forever 21. They're like $7, but these are just not ideal. Like, these don't do anything for me when I'm outside. Like, they do darken everything really well, but they don't cover enough of my face. These do. Like, these are just super essential, and I really love them, and if I ever lost these, I would honestly cry. The last few things that I have are beauty skin products. So the first thing is the coolest mascara. So Lancome sent me like literally, I think it was 12 different mascaras, and for some reason this one had me shook to the core. I'm showing you guys up close because I want you guys to be able to see it and hear it, but basically this little knob, or like this little button on the top, when you press it, makes the wand vibrate. It's focusing on me. Focus on that brush. Can you guys hear that? I don't know if you guys can hear it. Basically, this mascara is so freaking cool. It vibrates when you press this button, so as you're applying it to your lashes, you can like press it and it'll vibrate, so it kind of gets the like mascara off and onto your eyelashes. Or like, you know, when you get really big clumps, this can help get the clumps out because it's vibrating. Another thing is because I don't really know what the vibrating is for, but I feel like if you're like running low on mascara, you could put this in and then press the button and vibrate it, and it picks up more mascara. I don't necessarily know which part of that is correct. I think it's mainly to put mainly to use when you're putting it on your lashes, and it kind of just like evens out the mascara on your eyes. But I just really love it. I wish I knew what the name of this was. There's literally no name on the whole thing. It just has like a little flower. It is by Lancome though, so like if you go on their website, I'm sure you guys could find it. Another product I've been really into lately is this lip gloss. I've been into lip gloss more in general. I've just realized that when I wear a lot of lip liner, I just don't want my lips to look super dry, and this is so amazing. So this is the Lip Addict Voluptuous Lip Plumper in the shade Coralista, and actually my internship, the Mayfair group, we represent So Addicted, which is the brand of this lip gloss, and so that's why I started using it, because I grabbed it from the office and I was like, oh my gosh, this feels so good. It's just minty and cooling, and it has ingredients in it that help hydrate your lips, because it's not going to be like a really sticky gloss that when it wears off your lips feel like, oh my gosh, I need more on, like my lips feel dry. It actually hydrates them at the same time that you're using it, so it doesn't really make it like feel dead once the gloss is off, like after you've eaten or something. So I'm really into it, and it is the shade Coralista, but it's honestly, like you guys can see on my lips right now, it's not that coral, it's more sheer, which I really like. The last product I have to talk about is my favorite beauty product that I have used, or my favorite skin products that I have used in so long. This changed the game for me. So this is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. This is something that I have had for a while, and when I moved to my new apartment, I cleaned out a lot of my skincare and a lot of my makeup, and I kind of put the products that are priority at the top and just made room to like actually try my products, as opposed to just having like a random collection of skincare that I know I'm never going to be able to use. And this was one of them that I put at the top, and I was like, I want to make like a mission to use. So I have been using this for like the past 5 days. I'm not kidding. And I'm not using another moisturizer. It's basically just this like gel like moisturizer. You guys can see it's super liquidy. If I like move it even slightly, it like comes out. That's why it is a water gel. And it's the same color as my nails. I posted it on my Instagram story because I was like, wow, when your nails match your favorite moisturizer. But I love this. My face has never felt more smooth, hydrated, and soft. It's literally like, it feels like a baby. I don't know what is in this, honestly, that it feels like a baby's bottom. Like, it feels so smooth and soft, and I really never say that when I use moisturizers. Like, some of the moisturizers I use do give me that, but sometimes I think like, oh, it's just like my skin's feeling really good, so this moisturizer feels really good. No, like my skin can be like not okay, and I use this and it's just like smooth. Every day I've been laying out, and when I come home from the pool, I shower, I wash my face, and I apply this, and it just feels like it is drenching my skin, which is so funny because it says it instantly quenches skin and keeps it looking smooth, subtle, and hydrated day after day. I honestly feel like if I use this for a whole month, like my skin will like glow up, because even right now I'm just like, wow, it feels so good under this makeup. Like, it doesn't feel dead. I don't know, I'm like raving about this, but I just love it because it's by Neutrogena, and you can go to like Target and pick this up. It's not some crazy expensive brand at Sephora that's like $65 a moisturizer. It's just like genuinely that good. All right, I'm gonna eat the last 3 of these and call it a day. Oh, they're falling. This is so sad. All right, now that I've eaten all the gummy bears, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please leave your favorite snacks, drinks, beauty products, fashion products down in the comments down below, because I love seeing what you guys love and trying new things. It's just a great way to like share with everyone what you're loving this month. So thank you guys again so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe. You guys can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter, because I post every Wednesday and Friday on this channel, but I post every other day on my other social media. So I hope you guys liked this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.